The blueprint for revival never changes. If my people, who are called by my name, will humble themselves and pray, the God who hears from heaven will heal the land. She came for the gold, but she stayed for the wisdom. When the world sees the reality of God, sips blessing on your life, it should leave them breathless. The half has not yet been told. A nation torn apart by the pride of one man. When we choose the counsel of the young over the wisdom of the old, we lose the very heritage we were meant to protect. King Asa knew you cannot have the presence while keeping the idols. He smashed the altars and cleared the groves to make room for the one true king. Revival begins with a sledgehammer. Faced with 3 armies, Jehoshaphat didn't reach for his sword. He reached for a song. He put the worshippers on the front lines and watched the enemy crumble before a note was even finished. We do not know what to do, but our eyes are on you. In the moment of total dependence, the battle became the Lord's. The valley of fear became the valley of blessing.